Hey there folks, Kronos here. It's been a little while since the first challenge on my assembly tutorials was posted, so I decided it was time to finally show my solution. So, in the first challenge, I asked you to create a piece of code that every time you hit the run button, it increased a variable until it reached the number 25 or 19 in hexadecimal. When it reached that point, if it went greater than or equal to, it reset to 19 in hex 25. So I had actually created, when I created the challenge, I created a template and posted that to Pastebin, and then I directed everybody to Easy6502. But as it turns out, I spread people too far and people missed parts of it, and I ended up creating a whole bunch of confusion. So I've actually created a little website using GitHub Pages where you can go and access, like if you actually want to see what makes it tick, there's a link here. If you wish to take the try the challenge, the link is right here and it has the template built in. If you want to see the video again that the challenge relates to, you can see it here. And then some general info about NESMaker. This uses the exact same interpreter that Easy6502 uses. Today I managed to make some modifications to it for the next tutorial, which I will be working on as soon as I finish this. But without further ado, let's actually look over the challenge. So, the template, before you actually started doing anything, looked basically like this. There was a define line which gave the memory address so that you could just use the variable, and then a start line. Everything after this is just stuff used for the used so that you could just repeatedly click run. So what I've done with my particular version, first I load in the value of my magic, I clear carry, and then I add 3. So, normal stuff, since we are wanting to add 3 to get to the maximum number of 25, standard assembly stuff. Compare to 19. If carry is set, meaning it's equal to or greater than 19, go to the to high label. Oh, okay, that's not actually part of that line. That is overflow from the text box. So if not, then we store the value and we jump to end, which jumps over too high, so that when you hit run next, you can actually see the result. But in too high, we just set load 19 and set it. So as you hit the run button, you'll notice down here at the bottom, this little block. For some weird reason, this monitor button is a little backward right now. Not quite sure what happened there, but 369, C, F, 12, 15, well, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, not actually 12, 15, 18, and then 1, 9. And every subsequent press of run doesn't do anything. But yeah, from here on out, you'll be able to go to kronosv2.github.io/nm6502, and from here you can access any future challenges that don't require NESMaker itself. I'll still post information about those challenges here, but obviously you're not going to be able to use the Easy6502 simulator for that. A recent change that I made for the next challenge, as it turns out, something that I wasn't quite aware of is the percent. The binary indicator for percent wasn't always, or wasn't supported by this particular simulator. So earlier today, I looked into its code and I made a couple modifications. So now when you enter that, you can see that it actually loaded the number 8, which is the correct value. So yeah, for the next challenge, I have binary mode, or binary values working. Anyway, that's it for now. I will begin work immediately on the commentary for the second tutorial. With that, I am signing off. Have a great day.